Okay. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about predicate logic. So what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss about knowledge representation using logics. So there are two ways to represent the knowledge with the help of logic. That is, first one is proposition logic and predicate logic. So what is proposition? These are the things we already discussed in last lecture. So proposition means what? The symbols or the statement, it might be a true or false, but not both at a time. So what we discussed that that is a true or a false statement. For the same, we are going to use the proposition logic. But what about predicate logic? So predicate logic is a which is to be useful for declarative statement. Suppose sky is blue. So uh, this is the true and real fact. So what is the property that is blue, and what is the what we can say that noun over here, sky. So sky we can put out at the sky put out at the other side of a parenthesis. In the parenthesis we are going to discuss about a blue. So what we will write over here, sky, and in bracket we will write down blue. Okay, so this is a single argument statement. Okay, now next one is suppose true two argument statement is there. Suppose the example is Abhay and John are friends. So friend, it is a connective statement. So we will write over here Abhay in parenthesis, Abhay comma friend in bracket, Abhay comma John. So in this way declarative statement are described. So what is this? Predicate logic is one of the method which is used to represent low level of a knowledge. Yes, exactly. These are the few techniques with the help of that we are going to describe the low level logic or low level representation, because it is also called as weak Phelan structure. In predicate logic, the knowledge which is represented by using predicates. So what is predicates over here? The predicates are nothing but the declarative statement. Now next one, it is high level human oriented knowledge for describing a knowledge. So these are the things we already discussed at the starting of a lecture, that is sky is blue. So this is the human oriented knowledge, that is for describing a knowledge. So describing a logic, that is sky is blue. Yes, exactly, sky is blue. So sky we will write over write, and then in bracket we will write blue. Now next, it offers only formal approaches for the reasoning. Next, the structure of predicate knowledge is flexible. Now next one, knowledge is built up from constant, the object of the knowledge, that is a set of predicate relationship between the knowledge and some number of function, that is indirect reference to the knowledge. So the examples of predicate logic are the predicate logic, it is a weak Phelan structure. It is also describe low level of a knowledge, and the predicate logic is useful to describe the knowledge of a knowledge where declarative statement as there, sky is blue, that is one single argument, then two argument, three argument. These are the few examples of a predicate logic. Suppose we are given the example, that is uh, the example is all boys like cricket. So what we will write over here, uh, we will write that boys in bracket cricket. Okay, so this is the declarative statement. Now next one is some boys like cricket. So how we will write over here, we will write over here boys in bracket cricket. But if we see over here the boys and cricket, here we are not distinguished sum and all over here. So what we'll write here, we will use the concept of a quantifiers. With the help of quantifier, we are going to distinguish what is the sum and what is the what will be the all existential quantifiers. Okay, thank you.